Are you awake, Miss Zoe? I just come an hour ago, 2 hours ago now. You just greet me now? Why? What happened? The other one is waiting. Huh? You don't love me na? Look at the other guy. Hey, Leo. Leo, you want to come your hair also? Like Snowy? Oh, the back. Turn. Yeah, turn. Okay, very good. Sing. Happy birthday, Amy. Come on. Happy birthday, Amy. Let's sing happy birthday. Happy birthday, Amy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. You don't want to sing with me? Come on. Snowy. She's looking for a food. And this one, you want to comb your hair? No, you don't like? Come, I will comb your hair. Happy birthday, Amy. Love you, Snowy. Now you are waiting for the food. No more food. Hey. Come out. You are the naughty one. Shh. Get out. Look at that. Get out. Come out now. Hey. This is only for Snowy because you ate already. Hey. Naughty one, come out. Shh. Come out. Eat. So, come on. Yeah. Come out here. This one always hungry. This snug guy, always hungry. I give him food already and he is still hungry. You need to wait until finish Snowy. Okay? Oh, see? These two. Snowy, that is her favorite. And this one always eating. He love to eat. And this one choosy. Okay, I leave you guys. Bye-bye for now.